So today we're going to discuss 3.10 and 3.11. Both of these go over inscribed angles and arcs, but there's only one quiz over this topic, which is 3.11. So we're on Friday, February 23rd. Today you'll take your quiz 3.11. Here's our vision and mission statement and our code of conduct. And today we're just going to be working on solving problems involving a quadrilateral that's inscribed in a circle. So remember, inscribed means that we have a figure whose vertices all lie on the circle. So an inscribed figure, in this case a quadrilateral, has vertices where all of them lie on the actual circle. So this is a key concept, a key theorem, a key rule that you need to memorize in order to complete the problems we're going to be looking at today. The opposite angles of an inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary. So supplementary, remember, means add up to 180 degrees. So in this particular quadrilateral, that means that angle A plus angle C have to add up to 180 degrees. And likewise, angle B and angle D have to add up to 180 degrees. Those are opposite. They're across the quadrilateral from each other, and they have to be supplementary. They have to add up to 180 degrees. For example, we have quadrilateral ABCD inscribed in circle O. If the measure of angle A is 89, so we're going to mark what we're given. We always want to do that. We always want to mark what we're given on the figure. And the measure of angle B is equal to 107 degrees. What is the measure of angle D? So we want to know D, so we'll just label that as X. Now remember, opposite angles are supplementary in a quadrilateral that's inscribed in a circle. So the opposite angle from angle D would be angle B. So I know that the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle D has to equal 180 degrees. Well, I know angle B is 107. We don't know angle D, that's X. We know that they have to add up to 180 degrees. Now to solve for X, we just subtract 107 on each side. Put that in your calculator and you'll get X equals 73 degrees. So the measure of angle D is 73 degrees. And your ticket out the door password for today is angle, so make sure you have that written down. Ticket out the door password is angle. Here we have another example, quadrilateral ABCD that is inscribed in a circle. So again, we've got that inscribed quadrilateral. All the vertices lie on the circle. What is the measure of angle A? So we have that angle A is 2x plus 9 degrees. Angle C is 3x plus 1. We know those have to add up to 180 degrees, so let's set this up. Measure of angle A plus measure of angle C. They're supplementary, remember, they have to add up to 180 degrees. So 2x plus 9 plus angle C is 3x plus 1 equals 180 degrees. Now we can combine like terms. In these parentheses here, 2x plus 3x will give us 5x. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. That's equal to 180 degrees. We subtract 10 on each side, and we end up with 5x equals 170 degrees. Divide by 5 on both sides. So we end up with x equals, and you're going to grab your calculator, you're going to enter 170 divided by 5, and you end up with 34 degrees. But that's not what is asked here, so make sure you read the question carefully. We have the value of x, but that's not what we're asked for. We're asked for the value, the measure of angle A. So remember, A is 2x plus 9. So we have to take that 34 degrees, plug it into 2x plus 9. That is 2 times 34 plus 9. Well, 2 times 34, 68 plus 9, 77 degrees. So the measure of angle A would be 77 degrees. And if you wanted to check your answer, you could always plug x in to the other angle as well. So 3 times 34 plus 1, and that would give you 103. And remember, these angles should add up to be supplementary. They should add up to be 180 degrees. So notice that 77 plus 103 does give you 180. So that verifies that our x value was correct. And our measure of angle A has to be correct as well. So now you should take your ticket out the door. Password was mentioned earlier in the recording. And the 3.11 quiz. And remember to email your teacher or attend a Raise Your Grade session if you have any questions. Have a great day.